Good afternoon and welcome to the speaking test conducted by Rahat English Care. Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
What is your name?
My full name is Mohammad Rakibul Islam, but my nickname is Rakib. You may call me Rakib.
Okay, Rakib, what do you do?
Basically, I am a student. My honors is running.
Okay, in the beginning, I'm going to ask you some questions about colors. Well, what colors do you like?
I like what color because it reminds me my death of a journey.
What is the most popular color in your country?
I think it's a different person because most of the person always prefer different color.
Mm-hmm.
But I think in my country, most of the
Mm-hmm.
people prefer to green color.
Okay. Do people in your country like dark or bright colors?
I think most of the people like bright color because it's look gorgeous and bright color use also we can use a different occasion and ceremony.
Well, which one do you prefer?
I always prefer bright color and I also wear all time a bright color shirt.
Okay. Do colors affect your mood?
Yes, sir. When I wear any bright color shirt, I feel good and also confident.
Does color matter to you when you buy things?
Yes, sir. Colors always matter when I buy any dress. I always prefer to buy white color dress.
Okay, Mr. Rakib, do you live in a house or a flat?
I live in a small house with my family.
Thank you so much, Mr. Rakib. This is the end of your test. May Allah bless you with endless success.